Hello everyone, so for today's project we have these 6 unfinished wooden coasters that I found from AC Moore, and I painted them green, and it came with this little holder to set the coasters inside, and I painted that green as well. Once the front side was dry, I flipped them over and I did a coat on the back. I'm using my Klingon brush from Wise Owl. Once everything was dry, I took some antique villa and a chip brush, and with a really dry brush, I just wisped over it with the antique villa. And then I took this epoxy resin, and epoxy comes with 2 bottles, one white cap, one black cap, so a part A and a part B, and you want to mix equal parts. So I did 2 glasses of the black cap and 2 glasses of the white cap. When mixing the epoxy, please be sure to wear gloves and a mask. And I mixed everything together. You want to mix for at least 5 minutes. Then I found these really cute succulent stickers right from the Dollar Tree, and I put it right in the center of the circle, and I poured my epoxy Now you want to fill the entire circle with the epoxy, but you do not want to overflow it so the epoxy is running outside of that circle. And once it was full, I put it aside to let it level out and dry. You can always go back and add more on top if you need to. And you're going to set these aside and let them dry overnight, and they should harden. And now you have yourself a cute set of coasters. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to go over to our YouTube channel and check out some of our other videos. Have a great day.